Okay, in this video I've got a dark detection circuit, and you can see that I have this little light panel here, this 12 volt battery. So if I cover this light dependent resistor to simulate dark, as you can see my LED panel goes off, which is, telling me that it's working. Here's the problem. I couldn't get this circuit to work very well with just one transistor, so I fed the energy from the emitter of the MPS A06, the little one there. You could see on the left hand side there's this wire, okay, and it feeds when its base is driven. It then opens up current, and it sends the current over to the base of a TIPS 31C, and on the TIP 131C, once its base is driven, it has its collector going to positive, and its emitter ties into the positive side of the light panel, and then the negative of the light panel just goes to the negative of the circuit. So here's my question. When I go like this and I drive this, indeed I've accomplished what I'm after. It works. But if you check the light draw on that, the current draw rather on that light, it's only about 80 or 90 milliamps. When in reality, if I hook this up to a battery, it'll draw 280 and produce the type of light that I'm after, 3 to 4 watts of LED light. So, as cool as it is, I can't get this thing driven. Now you might say, well, why don't you, tweak your resistance on the base of the first transistor, which is what determines how hard its base is driven. Well, the thing is as I tweak this more, okay, the sensitivity gets out of whack. It starts coming on when it's not even really dark yet. So I'm wondering what I need to do. How do I need to look at this and get this transistor here to open up more current and let this then draw, a couple hundred, 280 ideal would be what it's supposed to be driven in. So if you have any ideas, I do have two resistors here, one from emitter to ground and then another from collector to ground, but in reality you can pull these two resistors out of the circuit and it doesn't really make a ton of difference, although it does make it drive harder. Okay, so that's where I was going with it, and maybe that's what the answer is the degrees of resistance on the emitter and collector to ground. So if you got any ideas, thanks very much. Thanks for watching.